So, what's it all about?
Oh, I don't know. Some stream of consciousness bullshit. About emotional wounds creating a fear of rejection that leads to an unwillingness to be vulnerable.
I often feel a disconnect with society in general.
Sometimes I feel like a lost soul swimming in a fishbowl.
Sometimes I feel like a motherless child.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Sometimes I feel I've got to run away.
Sometimes I feel like I don't have a partner.
Sometimes I feel like throwing my hands up in the air.
Sometimes I feel like my only friend is the city I live in.
Sometimes I feel like saying, Lord, I just don't care.
Sometimes I feel like a nut. Sometimes I don't.
Sometimes I feel like I've been tied to a whipping post.
Sometimes I feel like a dog standing on a toolbox in the back of a pickup truck doing 90 miles an hour around the corner.
Whoa, dude. That's deep.
So this is it?
Yep, let's do this.
I can't believe I'm doing this.
Oh man, this isn't working. This stuff never works out like it does on paper. I mean, I'm supposed to want this thing? What is my motivation? Come on, dude, just throw it down here and let's get this thing over with. No, I can't do this. And look at me, I don't even have any pants on. Just throw it over, dude. Oh, and look at you. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to have some shorts on or something under that leather thing. Please, I just want to get this over with. Okay, here you go. Don't drop it.